Okay, when I tell you that the universe was spot the fuck on with everything, I was like, all right, maybe I should be listening to my intuition just a little bit more. Hey, beautiful people. What is today? Oh my God. Today is Wednesday. And we are officially like 4 days out from my last meditation and Reiki healing workshop. And I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about it because I thought it was super interesting how things kind of just lined up. So I have like a nice basic little ritual for the meditation and Reiki healing workshop. So I started this 3 months ago. My first one was in April. And basically what I decided to do was, instead of me choosing what the intention for the meditation would be for that day, I decided that I am going to pick cards to tell me what it is that we should be focusing on each week or each month as we go into our Reiki and workshop course. Now, on Sunday, I did just that. I woke up, I got ready, I got dressed, and then I went to my meditation room and sat with the cards for just a few moments and said, what is today's meditation supposed to be about? So I went ahead, I picked 3 cards, and after looking at them and interpreting them, what came up for me was connection. We need to start talking about connection between our community, between our families, between our people. Like, connection is what we need, especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. So I go ahead, I write that down in my journal, I go ahead and I get ready to go. Me and my boyfriend go, we set up everything, I do my ritual of saging the space and getting everything together, and then everybody comes and I let everybody know, like, hey, this is what we're going to do today. This is what the cards pulled for meditation today, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do. I get everybody ready for the meditation. We go through the meditation. Right after that, for the Reiki session this time, I decided, hey, I think everybody needs a little bit more of a individualized healing today. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and sit everybody down, go ahead and post something up on Facebook or on Instagram or TikTok or wherever you are, saying that you're here, and go ahead and tag me. And each and every one of you will get a free mini Reiki session today. And everybody was like, cool. So they did it, and we went ahead on with our Reiki session. Now, after the Reiki session, what I like to do is I also like to do a little bit of journaling. We do a 15-minute journaling exercise so that everybody can kind of reflect on what they got from their meditation, reflect on what they got from their Reiki, and then if they so choose, they get to share it. Now, after they share, what I do is I have another deck that a friend of mine gave me. It's called the Power of Love deck. And it is like, I want to say like 50 cards, I think, of different love affirmations. So I go ahead, as we're sitting there, after the journaling, we are talking, I go ahead and I'm like, all right, I'm going to go ahead and just shuffle these cards while they're talking to me. So I'm shuffling the cards, and a card pops out. I don't look at it, but I go ahead, I sit it down and allow everybody else to continue to share. As soon as I get done sharing and we're all done and everything like that, I go, all right, so today's card, as you guys saw, picked it from the deck. Let's go ahead and see what it says. And guess what popped out? It was the Unity card, y'all. It says, Unity. You understand that the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe. Okay. Now, when I tell you that I am not often surprised by like the sessions that I do and the information that I receive while doing Reiki, while doing pulling cards for meditations, things like that, because every card that I've picked and done sessions for these meditations have always been spot on. They have always been for something that the people who are coming to my meditations and the workshop need. And when I say this week was spot on, baby, I don't know what was going on, but there was a lot going on Sunday. And I'm excited because I'm going to share all that stuff with you guys as I go through, a little bit more detail of what happened then. But listen,